Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will do a color correction with the desire to obtain a blended, very light rooted cool blonde. So let's get started. My client here has 5 months of level 4 regrowth, 2 inches of a level 7 brassy blonde, and extremely light sensitized ends. The goal is to lighten what is at level 5 and correct the brassy band in the same time, protecting the sensitized ends. I sectioned the hair into 5 sections and I start my application from the back, taking diagonal very thin webbed sections. I alternate 2 diagonal sections on both sides with 2 horizontal teased sections in the middle, working like this all the way to top area. The key here working on such dark hair is to take very thin sections and saturate the hair. For back sections, I'm using lightener mixed with 4% developer for the dark part and lightener mixed with 1.9% developer and water in a 1:1:1 mixing ratio for the brassy band. That way I make sure that I protect the sensitized ends. The brassy band is high and low, so I try to separate it by painting just what I see really yellow, and I really try to protect the ends. As I reach the top area, I increase power of the developer to 6%, but I continue to use 1.9 mixed with water for the brassy band. Once I'm done with my application, I process the hair for 30 minutes under very low heat, setting the Climazone to heat up only sides and top. After processing, I wash and condition the hair to prepare it for next steps. To neutralize warmth and prepare the hair for toning, I use anti-yellow shampoo. For a low-maintenance look, I'm smudging the roots using Igora More Vibrance from Schwarzkopf, 619 and 819, 11 and 1.9% gel developer, and I start my application from the back, working my way up to the top. I process this for 5 minutes and I start applying my toner on the length and ends with a bottle. Toner formula is 40 grams 9519 plus 10 grams 955 plus 15 grams 811 with 1.9% developer. I process everything for another 15 minutes. Once the hair is washed and conditioned, I blow dry and trim the ends to give it a fresh look. She is willing to grow her hair and I respect that. I'm not going to be too happy with my scissors. I'm just touching it up, even if about 3 inches should be cut off. Final touches include waves and of course photos for my Instagram. Here you have the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. We love the end result. Happy client, happy hairstylist. Feel free to ask more questions in the comments below. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. See you soon on my next video, and if you want to stay connected, check out my Instagram page where I share more of my work. Have a good day, guys!